أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In Islam, the virtue of forgiving and apologizing is considered a cornerstone of moral character, allowing individuals to purify their hearts, foster strong relationships, and draw closer to Allah by letting go of anger and resentment, untimely leading to personal growth and spiritual well-being. The Quran heavily emphasizes the importance of seeking and offering forgiveness as a divine attribute that Allah Himself embodies. Key point about forgiveness in Islam: divine example. Allah is described as the most forgiving and merciful, encouraging Muslims to emulate this quality by extending forgiveness to others. Self-purifications. By forgiving others, a Muslim cleans their own heart from negativity and anger, achieving inner peace. Often both people feel misunderstood and poorly treated. When one person can take responsibility and apologize from their portion of harm, it may open up communication and allow the other party to apologize as well. To truly heal a relationship, it is powerful for people to exchange apologizes. Ayatul Kursi is regarded as the greatest verses of Quran. According to the Hadayat, the verse is regarded as one of the most powerful in the Quran because when it is recited, the greatness of God is believed to be confirmed. Surah Zumar, verse 53-50, O my servants who have wronged themselves, don't despair of the mercy of God. Verily, Allah forgives all sins. Truly, He is oft forgiving, most merciful, and turn in repentance and in obedience with truly faith to your Lord and submit to Him. Making apologize and granting forgiveness are integral part of any long-term resolution of intractable conflict. Without them, it is all that impossible to achieve reconciliation and lasting peace. Making apologizes and granting forgivenesses are integral part of any long-term resolution of intraceable conflict. Without them, it is called but impossible to achieve reconciliation and lasting peace. Forgiveness comes to those who apologize not just because they have the night words, but because it is the night thing to do. Granting forgiveness is an international decision made by those who have been wronged but seek to restore harmony and peace through reconciliation. His is the most powerful dua supplication in Quran recited by Yunus alayhi salam, and Allah accepts acceptance or tawbah and forgives him. Allah loves those who ask forgiveness and repent. Allah is a Ghaffar, who not only forgives but forgives again and again. Khuda Hafiz.